Next, let's talk about norms. Norms are what people are doing or should do. Social norms are norms shared by a social group of people, like driving safely. Everybody seems to want to drive safely overall. Personal norms are individual expectations of yourself. I like to think of this as something that you go a certain speed limit, even though this posted speed limit is higher. I know that there's a speed bump or children play in an area frequently, so I'm going to go a little bit slower because that's my individual norm to be safe. Norms are often situation and population dependent, so that they change from population to population, culture to culture, social circle to social circle. It's important to remember that norms are different than attitudes, and often there's sanctions if a behavior is not performed when there is a norm involved. Here we're looking at the model of human behavior. Basically, it starts with values, inform value orientations, which help shape attitudes, which help shape our behavioral intentions, which overall inform, shape, or change our behaviors. It's important to know that values, on the values part of it, there are fewer values. Values are slower to change, and values often transcend situations. When we move up to the behaviors, there's many different behaviors. Behaviors are often faster to change, and behaviors are situation specific. To round out this discussion, we're going to look at motivation and satisfaction. Motivation. People are driven to take action to achieve particular or specific goals. I want to do something or I want to achieve something, therefore I'm going to do what it takes to do that. Satisfaction is an outcome received from an experience. So I took part in a roller coaster ride and I had a lot of fun. So I was very satisfied. It's an outcome that we received from the experience. Typically, satisfaction models are less reliable. There's many variables to consider why somebody is not satisfied. It relates to their expectations, the conditions, the encounters of facilities, and so many other things. Just think about you when you go to a restaurant and you order food and you get your food and you eat your food and you have a total experience, right? Any aspect of that could be awry, something could go wrong, and then your total expectation, your total satisfaction is negated. Even though all the other aspects of the situation were perfect or good, one little small aspect of that situation that gone awry changes your satisfaction.